50. I'm not one of those girls who likes to lie about her age. I'm 55.
Okay, and we're making a TikTok at the same time, so that's
Yeah,
what
so we're
doing.
kind of, this is gonna be fun. And we're gonna do like, get ready with me.
You know what? I'm gonna put on music also.
Oh, of course she is, because she can't be without music ever. So this is gonna be a while because look, I literally, okay, I did just curl my hair. I'm also gonna do kind of like what I'm loving and what like life advice that I would give everyone. What? Why are you laughing?
No, I'm not
Oh,
laughing.
okay. So first of all, have you ever heard of Mama's Done?
Hold on, wait till my video.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to keep going because I have to get ready anyway. So I'm going to show you this. I have Dream Radiant Liquid, what even, Maybelline. So I'm going to start with this. Oh, I already did a mask. And, oh shoot, I gotta do a moisturizer. So I'll do a little moisturizer. I got the Clinique moisturizer, love that. And so yeah, we're just gonna get ready together. We have to kind of show
We have
this
to, now we have to do.
Okay,
our
you're doing
hair.
yours?
Yeah,
Is
ready?
it on?
No.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. We're waiting.
Hi, it's my mom's birthday, and we are doing things that you wish you knew before you were 55.
55, it's my birthday.
While getting ready.
First of all, I'm putting my moisturizer on. So let's just, this is a true get ready with me. So I literally have nothing on right now. So you start with moisturizer. Wait, what do you have on? What are you doing?
No, I'm waiting until you have your first advice. And then...
Oh, okay. So starting with moisturizer.
No one's on your live yet.
Honey, because I don't do live. This is like my first live, second live. I don't even know about live. It's kind of more like a video. It's not like, what do you call it? These kids these days, they don't understand. They think everything's like instant.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so then I'm going to put on my concealer, basically foundation, Liquid Dream Radiant Liquid, Maybelline. Okay, so that's the next thing. You know what though? Okay, so I just put it on the back of my hand. I know a lot of people will put it like on a dish or whatever, but I put it on the back of my hand, and then
Look at my clips.
Oh, look at those! How cute! What are those? Where do you get them?
They were sent to me from Spoiled Child, the hair mask place.
Okay.
It came with my package. Okay.
And then I just put it everywhere, even on my neck. So, and then I don't rub it in with my hands because I don't want to get my hands dirty.
I really don't like how this is looking.
Oh, geez. I rub it in with a brush. So I wipe it all off. Okay. And then whatever's left on my hand, I just rub it into my hand. Okay. So then I take my brush from Merit, which I love this foundation brush, and I just rub it in with the brush. Work it in. And I try to go up mostly, but I just do all over, everywhere. And then on the neck, I just bring it down like this, bring it down the neck, and that's my base. And then I try to get under the eyes. Like.
Okay, you're gonna do
that.
number one advice on my video now. Okay, ready?
Okay. So my number one advice in life is do not care what anyone thinks, except for God. That's the only opinion that counts, people. Mm-hmm. The only one. If you're pleasing Him, if you are pleasing Him, then trust me, everyone else will be fine. So you just have to do the right thing for the right reason all the time, no matter who's looking. That's one of our family goals. And if you do that, then guess what? If someone has an opinion, it doesn't matter because you're not looking for their opinion. You're only looking for God. So please God and you'll be fine. Okay. So after that,
you have 5 people on.
I do. Hi. Who's on?
I don't like.
How do you know? How do you know who's on?
I don't know.
Oh gosh.
I don't know how to work.
Well, don't. She doesn't know how to work YouTube. Stop touching it.
Well, Mama.
It's gonna fall.
I know it's not.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh my gosh, 7 people, Mom. You're famous.
Oh, okay. Okay. Don't mind her.
Okay, well, I don't know how to work it. I want to know who's on. I can't see comments.
Okay.